Tell me, where does this roller coaster reach a sea and stop the coasting? Used to be fine with no destination.
Today I'm gonna be doing a big chop. This is what we're working with. So that's what I got. I watched a video basically just for some guidelines. I have been trimming my hair for a long time now. I started transitioning. I've never had a perm, but I had excessive heat damage. So this is my current shape. So it's long on top. I do want more so of shorter layers. I've had my hair cut in layers professionally and like at home. More recently, I gave myself a blunt cut because I did layers on my curly hair, which I will. I'll try to insert some of my natural hair journey, but I did layers on myself curly. It actually came out pretty cute, but when I straightened it, it looked crazy. So I had to do a blunt cut when my hair was straight. I'll try to insert a picture of that if I have it. And yeah, so of course my shorter layers didn't get cut in the blunt cut. And I have different curl patterns in my head right now from heat and dye. So the dye and the heat damage is getting on my nerves, and that's why we're here. So I watched the video, like I was saying. Her name is Chelsea Ashley on YouTube. So I'll be referencing that. Okay, stop. Pause. I am not a hairstylist. I am not giving anyone advice. And I'm not telling anyone how to grow, manage, cut, exist. Okay? This is Kania only. I will have the link to the video I watched in the description box. Not saying she's accountable, but this is not a tutorial. Hers is more of a tutorial. I should have just, cause y'all look, that's not bad. That's a decent amount of hair. Like, it's probably gonna shrink to here though, cause off camera, I trimmed the rest of my hair. Then I did a wash and go. The next day I went back in with the scissors. This is what I got, and I liked the trim overall, but I was ready to let go of the hair. So this is my finished product.
Top-notch bitch on A-list, this city girl shit can't flex.
If you made it to this point, thank you for watching and your support. Please don't forget to comment below, like this video, and then subscribe and turn your post notifications on so you can keep updated on my hair journey. Yeah, definitely comment and let me know if you want to see more hair videos, how you feel about this video, and what kind of videos y'all want to see. Because I could definitely experiment now. And my wig should be easier to put on because I can probably do the little bun people be doing. You know, I'd be slicking the hair in that little bun in the back and putting the wig on top. I couldn't do that before, so. See y'all later.
Tell me, when does this roller coaster reach a sea and stop the coasting?